y'all, let me show you how I made this sublimation keychain. It's branding for business, so it has the logo in the front and the QR code on the back, and yes, it works. First, we're going to get into the materials. You're going to need your acrylic blank, heat press tape, heat resistant glove, a picker to get the plastic, parchment paper or butcher paper, your scissors, and you're also going to need your prints that you want to adhere to the sublimation blanks, and not to forget a heat press, of course. I created the images on Canva. Let me know if you want a tutorial on that part. Okay, everything that you see in the video besides the scissors I purchased from Amazon. Before you print, it's very important that you mirror your images. The next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and remove that blue film off of both sides of your acrylic blanks. Line up your print with the keychain blank. Tape it nice and tight so it doesn't move. 2 pieces of tape should be just fine for this. Once you have the tape on, then you're going to go ahead and put parchment paper on the bottom of your heat press. Make sure your heat press is set at 400 and heat press for 60 seconds. Where your heat press gloves come in. This baby is hot. You can't see it smoking right now, but you're gonna see it smoking when we do the other side. Put your gloves on before you touch it. It pressed so good. It is beautiful. We are going to repeat the same exact steps for the back. That is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep in mind, I do sell these on my website if you want to purchase them from me, craftedbytrace.com. Thank you for watching. Please follow, subscribe, do wherever you're watching this on. Thank you for watching. Bye.